Hello guys, how are you all? This is Prashant. I welcome you into this topic. Today we are going to learn how to create a Google form and how to create the Google exam form. The both the things are similar. If you learn the one thing, then you can go for the next one. So here today we are going to make a multiple choice question answers in a Google exam form because nowadays teachers are facing many problems. You can do with the mobile. You will have to download a app in your mobile phone. The description I will provide you in the description box. Okay, or you can search in the forms app forms app in the play store, so you can create on your mobile also. If you have the laptop, it will be easy to you to create the form. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the things like this. You have the questions as a suppose first what is the capital of India, and you have the multiple choice and student have to tick, and you are getting the response from the clicking on the Google form. Okay, so here is the steps. For that you need only your email ID, your Gmail ID. With that Gmail ID you can log in to your Google Drive. What you on which you have to log in? Google Drive. You have to find out, write down in the search box Google Drive. I'm going to show you. Okay, Google Drive. Simply you have to write down Google Drive login. Okay, as I log in already, so it will show my Google Drive only. So Google Drive you will search, so it will provide you the Google Drive. Okay, so now you can see here it is a Google first link is provided to you. Okay, you have to click there and login. You have to simply log in as you are logging on your Gmail ID. Similarly, you have to log in on the Google Drive. Okay, when you log in on your Google Drive, the first screen will look like this. Okay, the first screen will look like this. So you have to create the form today. So for that, what you have to do, you have to click on new, more, and Google form. Click here blank form. Okay, you can do this also, or you can click here drive, more, Google form, and blank form. Okay, these things you have to do. So just now I clicked on the blank form, so it is going to be open. So as the screen you can see, this is my Google form which is on the screen. So now I am going to make a title here. I am going to make a demo form. Okay, here you can give the description, multiple choice questions. As I'm going to make a demo form, multiple choice questions. Okay, so you can make, if you want to add, if you want to do some editing, then you have to click on customize theme. Okay, you can choose an image. As I'm going to choose the image, these images are preloaded to you. You can select any one, and if you want to upload the form image from your drive, then you have to click on here. Okay, and you can simply select any images from your image and you can upload the things. Okay, as I am going to use this image, open. Okay, so now with the help of cropping, in this way you can adjust your image. Okay, as I'm going to adjust this one. Okay, done. So it is going to be appear on my form. Due to the slow network, it is showing this a little bit problem for me. Here you can change the theme color. As you can see, border color is in dark blue, or maybe whatever blue is this. You can select your choice according to that. Okay, so like this, background theme is this one. So like this it will appear. Okay, so now next, if you want to add multiple choice question, so what you can do, directly you can write on who is the president of India, or directly you can write down the things. If you want to convert this in the not multiple choice, if you want to convert it the short answer or paragraph answer, you can select any one of them. Short answer, if you are going to write down, the candidate can write down the answer here. Okay, if it will do the paragraph, then he can write down the paragraph, long answer. Okay, now we have the multiple choice. So what I am going to do now, multiple choice question is this one. Okay, it will be better if you have the question written in the Word format. Then what you can do, you just copy down the things. Copy. I'm going to do the copy, and I'm moving to the map form. Now you can paste it, as you can see. Now options we have to. So make it sure your option should be written in this way. It will be easy to you to copy and paste. Okay, copy, and only once you have to click here and paste. Now all the four options are ready for you. Okay, if you want to make a duplicate or a new, then you have to click on add this plus symbol. This is the second question. Okay, so as I'm going to write down the second question, Question number 2, I am going to copy, paste. Again I have to do the copy and paste only. Copy and paste. Now the things are ready. So like this you can do. Let's suppose somewhere you have to add a image. In a question you want to add the image. What you have to do? Click on here. Name the image. Just now I am going to write down question number 3. Name the image. Okay. So for that you have to click here. Now upload. Browse you have to do the image. Now I am going to select any one of the image. Okay, as you can see, this is the image. You can bring it in the center. You can resize the image by clicking here. Okay, multiple choice. Click again a multiple choice. Now let's suppose I'm going to make it Apple, Microsoft, sorry, Microsoft, HCL. Name the company, okay, so like that, and anyone, IBM, so like that. So you have to recognize the things. Okay, after this what you have to do, now let's suppose my form is ready. So what you have to do, you can go to the settings. Now there are certain options. Okay, collect the email address, means the user, when the user will give the response, he has to enter his email ID. Limit the response 1, means once user have to log in, he has to enter his only once he can apply, he can register for the once only. So now apply the same. Okay, now you are getting the email address here. One thing is also there, if you want to collect the candidate name, so you have to click here add. Now let's suppose I want to add the name. So what I will do, I will click on the add. So I'm going to convert this in the multiple in the short answer. Here I can write down enter your name. And if you want to make it a mandatory, so it is required. Please switch on this. Okay, it is required. So now you will get a asterisk symbol here. Okay, when you click on the required, it is going to be asterisk symbol, means it is mandatory. Okay, so I think these things are clear. Now if I have to send someone, so I have to click on send. One thing is also there, before sending, you can give a title here. You can give any title, whatever you want. As my form title is demo form, so it is coming here demo form. Okay, you can click on send button. You can mail it, and you can send the links also. Now you can see a long link is available here for you, so you can shorten the link. Click here short and just copy and send to the anyone, whomever you want. Okay, I think these things are clear. Now as you are getting the forms, you gave a time that within 15 minutes, within 20 minutes, or within 1 hour you have to submit the form. How you will collect the response and how you will stop to sending the response? So for that you have to click on responses. Click here, and when you click off, switch off this accepting the response, you can write on the message time over. Okay, means your candidates will be means whenever they are going to submit the response, that time they will see this message time over, means they cannot submit their response. So I think these things are clear for you. These things will work for you. So I hope you will like the video. Thank you and have a nice day.